Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to off app notification in our vivo phone. Guys, you want to off your app notification in your vivo phone, so you can off. And guys, now let's see how to off app notification in vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can we off our app notification in vivo phone. So friend, first of all, I'm going to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you're watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friend, first of all open your phone setting. Guys, click on notifications, app setting, and guys you can see only this app. So guys click on guys most recent, guys tap here and guys click on all apps. So which app guys you want to off notification, so you can off from here guys. Which app guys you want to off, like I go service guys, contact notification guys, drive notification. So guys you can off your like Facebook notification, file notification, Gmail, Google Play Store notification, Instagram notification guys you want to off. So guys you can off from here guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to off app notification guys. You will have to only click on the right side guys, this blue icon guys, then guys your app notification will off in your vivo phone guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to off app notification in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.